Good morning, folks. It's Hari Swaminathan. Today is Thursday, April 4th, and I'm looking at a new trade for today. It's LinkedIn. LinkedIn hit a high of 184, and then since then it's sort of been on a downward trend. Now, let me zero in on the last few days. You can see that it's pierced through the lower Bollinger Band. And so it's been on a downtrend, and it could potentially go down, a couple of days more, or maybe even a week more. But in general, it's pierced through the lower Bollinger Band, and it's sitting right at the lower Bollinger Band right now. In general, LinkedIn has been a good stock, and you can see yesterday there was some volume, so it's not clear yet whether this was buying or selling volume. But I think the trade we want to take is should give us enough time, because this downward pressure might exist for some more time. So what I'm thinking of, let's go to the Analyze tab, and let's see what kind of options we have. The April is 15 days, May is 43 days. I'm thinking of a debit spread in this case. So if we go to the June series, which has 78 days, that gives us enough time. So let's say 180 to 190, right? So 180 to, let's say, 200. So that's a $20 spread, and we're going to pay $4. So what we'll have a positive delta of, let's say that's a little high. Let me see if I can get a 195. We'll have a positive delta of 163, or yeah, let's just keep it to 200. So it's a $20 spread, 10 contracts, and we're going to pay a debit of 433. So if you look at the risk profile, this should be a bull call. I'll need to stretch this in here some more. Okay, there we go. All right. So that's the bull call spread. Our risk is 4,330, but our reward potentially is 15,670. So now, the max reward obviously is going to come at the 200 point, which may be a bit too much. Let's see, 190. And here we would pay 2,600 with a reward of 7,350. Okay, so this looks good. And the delta is also 115. It's not 200. So this is, even if LinkedIn goes down a little bit, we'll be able to handle a delta of 115. So this is the trade. I'm going to put this on this morning. I think LinkedIn is a good stock. It's come out with very good results, and it seems to be on a nice growth path. So the high that it hit was around 185, and I expect it to come back to that high at some point in the next 2 to 3 months. So, and we've got 78 days for this trade. We obviously don't plan to hold it till that long, but we want to give ourselves enough time because this is a debit spread, and the risk reward looks very good on this trade. So that's it. That's the trade for today. Just a quick update. Baidu went back yesterday, so we are back in the safe zone as far as Baidu is concerned. And then the Netflix trade adjustments also worked out well. We should actually do quite well, but let's see. Netflix has been a little volatile, so we'll need to monitor that one carefully. On eBay, it's sitting right in the middle, but of course we do have about 17 days, and then I'm expecting the volatility to go up on eBay. Let's look at eBay, the chart. Yeah, so it's sitting right here. So as long as it moves into this little tent pole, I think at some point we would try to exit this trade. We don't want to keep it till till earnings for sure. So at some point we would come out of this. Let's look at Google. I think Google yesterday got hammered, but we are still, if I'm not mistaken, should be right in the middle of the condor, and we do have a negative delta on Google. Now, why is it showing me? it shouldn't be. Oh, okay. I've got some other trade here. So, okay. So, because Google is a perfect iron condor. So that's good. So Google's in the middle, and we also don't want to keep Google till earnings because it's possible that Google also will come out with a very big move on earnings day. So I'm hoping we can get enough time decay. This is one of those trades where I didn't realize that earnings was just a day before the expiry. So this series is going to get affected by volatility, and therefore we want to try to take it off when we have a good profit on Google. Okay, so that's about it. Let me see if there are anything else. Yep, Google, Netflix, and today I'll be putting the LinkedIn trade. Thank you.